Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go into my jewelry and I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the story about each and every single jewelry that I have on me today. So every piece always have a story and always has a memory with it. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the memories that I have with these pieces. So if ever you want to know what's the stories about all of these rings, all of these things, then make sure to continue watching all the way to the end. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into it. So first of all, I just love jewelry so much, especially rings. I almost have one for every finger. It's just, I feel like it makes my fingers look so much better. My hands look better. It's like a bling, bling, bling. And then, you know, I've been loving the gold accents recently of like gold jewelry. When I was younger, I always thought that gold wasn't fitting me. I thought I was really, really pink and like, you know, but looking at my skin tone, I'm really not that pink. You know, I have a lot of golden undertones, and when shopping for foundations, I realized that I have a lot of golden and that I go towards more the golden than the pink one. So like neutral every stuff. Basically, every single color of jewelry kind of fits me. So silver, golden, and even rose gold. So we're going to start the first one with this one. So there's two pieces to my necklace here. So this one, this golden twisted chain that I have, golden, it is from Drippy Amsterdam. I actually won in an Instagram giveaway, and I got like $500 worth of stuff, plus 100 other that I spent my money on, but that's another thing. I did a whole review on it, but it is not real in any way, shape, or form. It is very, very golden, but it's still cute. It gives some accents, and I can put some pendants on it, which I love. I love to put different pendants and like mixing my jewelry as well. So this is just like a side note. This is I won. So I was so happy when I won the giveaway. I was like, oh my God, I never win anything usually. And this day, I was like, oh my God, I actually won. And it's just like, it's insane. It's crazy, you know? Anyways, I felt so lucky that day. It was just, so funny. Other than that, the pendant that I have, you know, obviously doesn't fit with a lot of things that I have right now because I have like some red and some other colors on me. But this one is actually from my great-grandmother. It is not real gold. It is a fake gold. But it didn't fade over the years, really. It's just very well built, even though it is fake jewelry. And she had this, and then she gave it to my grandma. And then I went to my grandma one day when I was younger, and then she just gave me a bunch of like jewelry and stuff. And I was so happy. I was like, oh my God, so cute. So this is where the pendant comes from. It's very kind of chic, nice, and it looks cute with the blue kind of stone in the middle. So that's it for this necklace. It looks pretty good. Then I have other necklaces here. So this one is 2 hearts. I wear it all the time. I do not take it off most of the time because my boyfriend gave it to me, and it's just such a memory. He bought it from Tiffany & Co. and it is so cute. You have the 2 hearts. You have one that is written Tiffany & Co. with the heart and everything, and the other one, you put another heart with both of her initials on it. So R and M, so Roxanne and Maddie. And this is just so cute. When he gave this to me, I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. This is just like a necklace that I almost never take off because I love it so much. And it just means so much to me that he gave this to me. So this one is 925 silver too. So it's not going to change colors. It's just going to stay beautiful forever. All right, so next necklace, because we have 3. We have 3. So I have this one that is a little golden chain. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this one, but this one is actually my baby chain. You know, like when I was a baby, I received a chain and a ring. So this is my baby chain that I had when I was baptized and when I had all of these things, you know. So this, I don't remember from who this is. I think it's from my parents, probably. I mean, there's so many people that just come and give things when you're like young and stuff, but this was my little chain. So it's cute. It still fits me. It's crazy. Look at that. Like I can still wear it around. It's like a short kind of chain, golden chain. This one is gold, and it will never fade because it's cute. So that's it for the necklace that I am wearing for today. I just love layering a bunch of stuff because it's like adding a lot to the outfit. Then we have a new addition to my jewelry right now. I have a watch, which this one again, my mom had it, and this was from my great-grandmother. So my mom wasn't wearing it, and then she's like, oh, do you want to wear it, you know? And I was like, oh yeah, why not? Like, it's just a little watch. It doesn't actually work. It's just like, it's just for decorations. And I felt like I don't have any watch like this. I don't have any kind of bracelets or anything. So I felt like it was just right to put this around my wrist and to just wear it with the bunch of gold that I have on me right now. Then we have some earrings. And excuse my wig that's snatching off the way. So these little earrings right here, they are so cute. I actually got them not too long ago when I went to see my parents. My mom bought me actually like a gift, like a ring. And then the ring, since she gave me one that was literally the same as the other one that she gave me like when I was a teenager. Like we went to exchange a ring and it was way cheaper, the ring I chose. So we got some earrings, and these earrings are surgical steel, so they're not real gold, but they're not going to irritate my ears. And I wanted something that was gold because I don't have any gold earrings. I have some actually gold earrings, but they're so tiny. I don't have anything cute like hoops like this. And I wanted some hoops that were just going to be for every day that I can wear in the shower, or I can just like sleep with it and it's not going to go too far, you know? And these are like clips. I could just put it, clip it, and just forget about it. Anyways, what do you think about my earrings so far? My little watch. I was like, this is so cute. What's this brand? It's like, it's cute. Doesn't work, but it's okay. It's just decorations. And my necklaces. Sometimes I'm like, I layer too many stuff and I don't even know if it fits. If it doesn't fit one day, just tell me. I want to know. So, yeah, so this is this for this, all of these things. And then we're going to the main part, which I've been wearing for so long, my rings. So there are some new additions, of course, to my rings, because before I only had this one, this one, this one, this one, and a fake one, which is not very golden anymore. So this one is just like sitting there as trash, you know? It's just, I need like real gold because it's just gonna fade so quickly on my fingers. It's just insane. I'm gonna start with this hand because this is the hand where you guys know most of my rings. So this tiny ring that I always have on my finger. So this one right here, this is actually my baby ring. So this is the ring that I had on my necklace when I was a baby. So it was just like this with the ring around it. I wasn't actually wearing the ring because obviously I would have lost it for sure. But this one has some super cute designs on it. It's just really nice. And at first I was like, what am I going to do with this ring? You know, I don't know what to do with it. And then I saw a bunch of pictures online and stuff of like people wearing rings to their joints. So I'm like, oh, so I can just like put it. I was like, oh, this is not fitting, you know. So it fits the little finger where I have no other rings that can fit. So it just like adds a little addition. And since my finger is going like this sometimes, it's just like crooked, then it's kind of like putting it straight. I'm gonna go in order of the rings. So this one, this has a very beautiful memory to it. So this is one of the rings that I absolutely love the most. It is so different than all the other rings that I have. It is kind of like golden with a ruby. I actually don't know. Okay, I honestly don't know because this ring, I was at IGA, which is a superstore in Quebec, and I was 5 years old, I think. I don't know. I remember like it was yesterday. And then I was just in the car, and then I just like seeing shiny things on the ground, right? And then I was like, oh my God, there's something shiny, Dad, can you pick it up? You know, like I just liked shiny things. So like I was like, oh my God, what is this? And then he just picked it up and it was a ring. And it was this ring. I remember like it was yesterday, I swear. And I was holding it. I was like, oh my God, like I never saw something so shiny before, you know, like this big. Like my fingers were so tiny. And I dropped it. I actually dropped it. I don't know why I dropped it, but anyways, I was stupid and 5, so that's what happens. And then the cart went over the ring and it cracked. and I never fixed the crack. It's still there. Like the crack is going from the outside to almost the other way. It is broken. And I don't know if it's a ruby or not. I don't know the value of it because I never went to a jeweler to try to guess the value or to see if it's a real stone, if it's made in a lab stone, if it's anything like this, you know. But I do know that it's gold. I just don't know if, you know, the jewel at the top is any type of thing. So, but I try to do my research, but honestly, I don't know what I'm talking about. So sometimes, you know, you search some things and you're trying to be, oh my God, maybe this, and like you're getting super excited, but it's not. Anyways, so next one. So I'm gonna be going with this one. This is kind of like a little lion, and this was from my mother-in-law. So this is just my boyfriend's mom, and she's so sweet, and this ring is just really special to me, so I just wear it all the time. It is a good luck charm to me, and I just wear it on a daily basis. So it's just like a nice, cute, I like weird, like designs like this. It just like adds a little edge also, and it just reminds me of her too. So it's just like, I just love the ring so much. And then we've got to the middle finger ring. So this one, she just gave it to me like recently because this is her college ring. So she went to college, cégep here. I know, like I'm trying to say the words that you guys are gonna understand, but like it's cégep. And when she graduated, she bought herself a ring, and then she wasn't wearing it. It was just like getting dust in a drawer. And she knows that I love rings, and I wear it. Rings every day and all the time. So she decided to make me try it, and it fitted me, so she just like gave it to me. So that's really amazing that she has so many rings and I can just wear them like this. So that's it for this hand. 4 rings. I just need one more here and like the hand is done, or like a couple, you know, like just stack them all together. So we're gonna go to the next hand, which is the last of the jewelry for today, part 1 if you want. Maybe I'll get more jewelry in the future or something. I don't know, we'll see. So we're gonna get to this one. I'm not giving you any fingers, by the way. I'm just trying to show it to you guys. So this one is actually also gold. It is a zircon, though it's not real diamonds, by the way, the other one either. But this one, my mom got it to me probably when I finished elementary school, so maybe I was 12, 13. I don't actually remember, but she gave that to me for one of my birthdays, and I just had it ever since. I've been wearing it in this finger like for forever because I probably stopped growing in length and like everything else at 11 years old. So like I'm as tall as when I was 11 probably. Like my feet are the same. Like I had like shoes from like the 5th grade for me, and it's the same, okay? So like the ring fit me, and my hands and my feet and the rest never changed. So it's just crazy. So this is a gift, a cubic zirconium again for this one, but it's really nice. And then the middle one also is when my mom finished high school. Yeah, they gave the ring. It's just another ring that she gave me that she wasn't using, and I was like, oh, like it fits also in my other middle finger, so I'll just add it to the collection and just finish the design on my hands. So it just looks really cute, you know. But I like it. There's also cubic zirconium, and there's like a hole in it. It's just like such a weird design. It's different than the other ones. I like different rings, like not only like a circle, you know, it needs to have some type of way to it. I like it's just different. So then the last one, this is the ring that she actually got me, my mom, for Christmas, and this is the ring that she got me, like I was 12, 13 probably. It was exactly like this, but maybe with 2 other stones on the side. So I showed it to her, this one. She was like, oh my God, I just love these rings so much. I feel like I'm giving you always the same thing. So I was like, oh, it's okay. Like we can go back and like check, you know. And then I saw this ring, which is like half an eternity. Like it's half an eternity. So there's like some cubic zirconium here with some gold on the back here. So you see it's some gold. And then you have, you know, some white gold accent or silver, you know. I don't exactly know every single detail of every single ring, but I feel like it's a nice addition. It is different than the other rings. And if I am wearing silver rings one day, because I do have some silvers, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe one day I'll have it. But I had some silver, and if ever I have silver, I can still wear that one because the top looks silver. So if I stack, you know, different metals like here, you know, it can work. It can work. But I really love this ring. I am wearing it every single day. I was like debating if I would get it for this finger or another finger, but if I change my mind, I can just like go to the jewelry store and they're just gonna like shorten it for me. So if I want to wear it here, if I want to wear it here one day, I can just like cut it and like put it together, and it's not that expensive and it's very easy. So talking about jewelry, so nice. I love the shiny things, the sparkly things, and all of these things. So anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this little video. I was just like talking about jewelry, and if you have any pieces that you really love in your jewelry collection, please tell me down below. I would love to know the story behind the piece that you absolutely love. I cherish every single one of the pieces that I have. I put them back in their cases. I just make sure that they're very nice, and like I just want them clean, and you know, it's like, I don't know, it's just like self-care. It's like, ooh, I feel like if I put makeup and outfit but I don't have any accessories, it's like something is missing, you know, something is missing. But anyways, I love gold jewelry. Never thought I would, but I absolutely love it. I feel like I prefer it more than silver or like white gold. It's like, whew, gold. Anyway, that's what it is. I really hope that you liked the video, and thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one.